Hello, in front of me I've got Mercedes EQA. In this video I'll show you how to book appointment at the authorized service. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display and go to MB apps. Enter service and go to workshop. Here is the address of your service. You can navigate there and set appointment. Tap book appointment. Select service, for example, inspection, tires, repairs, diagnosis, and others. Select one and select next. You can also find total price of the service. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.